With CM Answers Pro, you can match the look and feel of the Q&A page to that of your website. To do this, you need basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. First, make sure your settings allow you to override the default template. In the Appearance tab, the page templates for index and threads should be CMA default. In the Miscellaneous tab, mark Support Overriding. Now you need to copy the original files and save them in your general theme directory. In your File Manager, go to WP Content, Plugins, CM Answers Pro, Views, Front-End, Answer. Then copy the files shown here. The index file controls the questions page and the single file controls the threads. Afterwards, go to Themes, choose the one you're currently using, and create the subdirectories CMA, then Answer, and paste all the files there. Now you can edit them using HTML. Here's the default template of the questions page. Let's say you want to add a picture for a header, and maybe change the style of the title. You can copy the image URL from the media library and add an image HTML tag, as well as defining the entry title style. Your page just got a makeover. We hope this tutorial helped. Creative Minds.